I found out that my flight got canceled. So double huzzah. Looks like I'm staying in Japan. We've arrived at the Honda Cafe. So hopefully I don't sound like a dying bird. Casual car spotting in Tokyo. That time of day where I need my egg salad sandwich fix at 7-Eleven. The holy grail. I'm sorry, I sound like Mickey Mouse. So good. Parked up the Copen so that I can go to Tamiya store and get some more C-cars. Since my flight did get delayed by a day, I thought it was only fair that I buy the Delta Integrale rally car that I really wanted. The Tamiya store is right over there. Let's kick it. Guys, the Tamiya store starts from over here all the way over there. Like tracks, different sections. They have little like die casts right over there. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I am about to spend absurd amount of money. All right, let's go in. Tire space. This is so cool, guys. They have event spaces for the track, I guess. We got the mini four-wheel drives, RC models, and construction vehicles, the RC models again, paint and all the tools and accessories, static models and paints, and then more static models. So we have cars, aircrafts, literally everything. And there's a cafe. So cool, guys. This is gonna bankrupt me. Whoa. Sure. We have lockers here. I wonder what these are. Can I pull it? It says please pull slowly. Let me pull it. Whoa, that's cool. What are you looking at? Why are you getting wheels? Oh my god, wait, Loki. All right, which wheels should I pick up for the Supra? I feel like I should pick up these bad boys. This one or this one? I want to get a set of wheels. Oh wait, this moves. Hold on. You can literally get drift pairs. It's so funny. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that totally hurt. That's fine. I'm fine. That's fine. I'm fine.
There's a shelf there.
Yeah, thanks. What do I get? So many options. I low-key like these. Should I get him?
The chrome lips is cool.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 of these. I think I'm gonna do this. I think this is gonna be the vibe. Literally seconds later, I have now a bunch of wheels. We got tracks up there, which is awesome. We have some more model kits. These are super cool. So many different things. I actually did find one of my car, but I decided not to because I don't have space. And then this is the last room. This is called the event space, so you can hang out. And I dropped a set of wheels. You can also mod your RC cars, build them. Great place to just chill out. Got a little pit over here as well. And some more cool knickknacks to look at. Plenty of stuff here. Super, super cool. So they allow you to play with these little models right here. Pilot's having to go right now. Oh, and he broke it. This is to go straight, and this is to make a left or to the right. I wonder if you know. Tokyo. If you see me, then you mean it, then you know you have to go. Fast and furious. This is where we're not allowed to go anywhere. Hey, you need some wheels? Keep it on DL. So these are the wheels that I got from my Supra. Wide ones in the back, skinny ones in the front, because we got the Pandem kit. And then I got these for my friend's GR Corolla RC car. No, the issue is I'm definitely gonna take Pilo to Super Rajicon. The Tamiya store, the Lancia that I wanted was like 30,000 yen, and at Super Rajicon, the exact same Lancia was 18,000 yen. So we're gonna go hit up a pit right now, and then
which should be hype because I heard it's sick.
No, it is. It is. I'm so excited. This definitely. This is both of our first times going there, and we've been wanting to go. Not too sure. Don't know what to expect.
I ended up getting this.
And I got wheels. Bad financial decisions all around. Let's catch ya at a pit. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It's not only this big building, but it's that big building, and they have their own parking garage. Holy, oh my God. This is bad, Pilo. Pilo, we're gone. We're goners. I'm literally overwhelmed. Imagine an entire mall for cars.
Wash bucket?
It's raised. I don't know what. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. I need it. I need it. I need this. I need that. I need this. I need this. I need this. Oh my God, this is so sick. I need it. This is the most dangerous store I've ever been in. Why didn't we start here so I can spend all my money? Dude, no way. No way. Literally anything that you can think of. They have the books too. Oh, this is so cool. I can't. Oh my God. You can have your entire wardrobe from here. Wait, what? There's phone cases.
Yeah.
Oil cooler caps. Your shipping nabbies. This entire thing is just air fresheners. This is a Volkswagen bus tissue box. Pound it. It's basically a Target for cars. It worries me that they don't have price tags. They do seem a bit expensive. I think they are expensive.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
This is a Don Quixote of cars.
Bucky's.
Bucky's? How does this remind you of Bucky's?
It's like that, where it's a one-stop shop. You can get everything you want, and then in the sense of it's more car related.
Tons and tons of books. If I find a Triumph GT6 book, I will cry myself to bed. My voice is getting really bad because I can't stop talking. I'm refraining from the book section because I got a bunch from that one Tsunoya books, I believe it's called. The one where the poor singer was sitting inside of the bookstore. Having way too much fun here. Yo, this is cool. All these models too. I think I need like one look around and then I'm gonna go again. Do we have any that we don't need, that we don't have? I oddly have all those, so great success. This is so cool. Oh, I got a book of chimneys. I should low-key get this for, I actually don't know if he announced if he got this car or not, but one of the YouTubers. Stop it right now. GTR shoes. Annie, you can't do that. You can't do that. I need to do it. It's a whole other building.
Oh.
You think this is it? Sir, please.
Certainly not.
Sir, no, not at all, not an A-pit. No, sir. Oh, you got the raised box, dude. The storage boxes, these are cool. My mom wants me to get cute clothes. My idea of cute clothes. Mini Nardi keychains. What? That's so cool. And we got some mini helmets over here as well. We got a Liberty Walk. It's a Liberty Walk watch. I don't know why I was blanking there for a second. That's so cool. So expensive. 1980123. Guess how much you think the watch is, the Liberty Walk watch?
1.3 million?
Yen?
Yen. $12,000?
Why did you guess correctly? Stop.
It's cool.
It is cool. Tons and tons of helmets. We can literally be here all day.
I could literally be here all day.
This is a problematic. If you're gonna go to A Pit, go in the morning, because you're probably gonna be here for a minute. And I think they close at 9.
Lewis Hamilton's visor.
No way.
From
Oh my God, wait, actually they are.
151,800.
That's actually not that bad.
Tax-free is only $138,883.
That's actually not that bad. For memorabilia, that's not bad.
Millennium Jade.
Oh my God, please, I need it. Wait, yo, they actually do have Midnight Purple, that's crazy. Stop it right now. It's a wireless mouse. That's an R32. Dude, my brother would literally love me forever. All right, we're now on the 2nd floor. So this actually looks out over the 1st floor, which you can see down there. You can only imagine just how much stuff there really is here. Oh my God, Aiden would literally love these. They're BMW sneakers. This is a very dangerous place because you could probably spend money very quickly here. Got the carbon fiber steering wheels. We got coilovers, wheels on wheels. It is really cool. An RWB tool set would be super cool. The entire RWB tool set, and it goes for around 32,890 yen. We've got helmets. Do I need a new helmet? No, I don't. But some new racing gloves, however. That maybe. Speaker systems. What is this? I can't even read this, but it's 17-piece kit. Over here we got Recaro seats and a wild Recaro Pilo. Pilo not included.
It's my lumbar support.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wait, you can like pump it up? Oh my God, I actually see it inflating. What? That's low-key a flex. I can air out my seat. Got a bunch of Greddy gear over here. Great success. I think I'll leave the parts shopping for the next Japan trip. GR motor oil and injector cleaners. Some calipers and rotors over here. I feel like we need to get out of here, guys, because I'm getting overloaded. Yo, stop it right now. I literally told my brother, I said that if I find the HKS floor mats, that I would get it for him.
JZA.
Oh, sad case. Yo, they just got a whole engine just chilling over here like that? The girl tired. I feel like a child that just had a sugar rush and then crashed. That's how I feel like. Like as if we had gone through an entire shopping mall and then another shopping mall and then another shopping mall. That's how I feel like right now. I'm exhausted. Philo, take it away.
This is pretty fun.
It was amazing.
Definitely a fun time.
Oh, it was insane, absolutely insane, but like I'm exhausted. So we are going to head back to the Airbnb. And hopefully, after an hour of driving back home, I will have enough energy to go to Toys R Us, because that is like the last thing that I need to really buy, which is just gonna be an absurd amount of Hot Wheels, which I hope is gonna be an absurd amount of Hot Wheels, because I heard Toys R Us is the best spot for diecasts. Fingers crossed, because I have had a pretty unsuccessful time with Hot Wheels here, surprisingly enough. RC Cars has been great selection though, incredible selection. I kind of low-key want to go back to Super RogCon and go grab that Lancia, the Delta Integrale, but the issue is space. I don't even know if I have space for the Mark V Supra, let alone the rally car. So, let's head back home, because your girl tired. Made it to Toys R Us. I can't believe I haven't seen that sign in actually forever. Y'all already know that Toys R Us in America had closed down like a while ago, and the fact that Japan has it, and the fact that it's known as the best Hot Wheels spot is crazy to me for even thinking about. Super excited to go in, and I really hope that they have Hot Wheels. We're at Toys R Us, bro. Yo, Toys R Us never slapped better. They didn't have that in our Toys R Us growing up. Toys R Us Japan hits different. If you're not a part of the LEGO Insiders program, where even are you? The heat's all right here, dude. Pink ripstick. Haven't seen one of those in a minute. Okay, Pilo, and this is where we get kicked out. Oh, they have so much Tomica. Hot Wheels. They have such good finds. Oh my God, they have such good finds. Premium section is only 800 yen. That's actually wild. And I already see ones that I don't have. You have all of this. Oh my God, these are some really good finds. And you have this wall. I'm about to go ham right now, dude. I need a cart. Do we get a cart? Can we go get a cart? Let's go get a cart.
I didn't want to say yes to you getting a cart, but sure.
The cutest little guys. What is that? Sorry, I got distracted. Pilo understands the mission. Great success.
Put some sick music on this.
Dun 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 dun. Ah, bum 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 bum. Get kicked out of Toys R Us. The drift car go wild though. You have all of this and you have that wall, dude. I'm so gone. Look at everything I got. All right, so here are all the Hot Wheels I ended up getting. So starting with the Fast and Furious Pantera, Hot Wheels Boulevard BMW M3, Hot Rod Garage Plymouth. A lot of these are the Boulevard set, by the way. We have a Volvo. We have the Volkswagen Samba Bus. Audi S4 Quattro. We have two 3000 GTs. I actually got one for Amir because he has a 3000 GT and he wasn't able to make it onto the Japan trip. So this is my little souvenir back to him. We have a little Ford F-150 Lightning, this Stinger with Golf livery, and lastly this Acura Integra. Very solid Hot Wheels finds. Very happy with them. Like actually incredible finds. Like I have looked at so many Hot Wheels stores and have yet to find really good selection, and this has been the best selection. So thank you forum boards, because literally nowhere else online was it saying that Toys R Us was the move. Didn't even know that there was a Toys R Us in Japan, period. So extremely happy. This is why you always go to the forum boards. Let y'all know. We're done with the Hot Wheels. Over on this side, however, we have all the Tomicas, tons and tons and tons. They have like these clear backing ones, which are literally identical to these the normal boxes that you see over here. I think I'm gonna stay away from those because I really like just having everything the same. So I'm gonna go for like one of these guys. Let's take a look at what they got. Oh, look at this little Nissan container ship. What is that Boof Lightning? This is a Transformer GTR. We have to get this one just because it just sounds cool. You know my favorite part about coming to Toys R Us is there's not a single child in any of these aisles. These are all grown men and me. I love it. I'm actually one of the few people that don't play with them because I like to keep mine in packaging. I don't think I've ever opened a Hot Wheel. No, I haven't ever opened a Hot Wheel before. Look at him. There is one thing that I love doing with unopened Hot Wheels, but I would never be the one to unbox them, and that is racing them side by side. I love doing that at car meets when they have like a track open. I live for that. All right, anyways, we're done at Toys R Us. We gotta go because this is getting out of hand. You're gonna get us kicked out.
I know, but
I need to buy these Hot Wheels first.
why can't I do it?
So now that Pilo is here, I'm gonna go ahead and actually put the sunroof down and so y'all can actually see how it goes. So just like a Miata, you press the button in on both sides, open this up, and then you just go ahead and I'm missing something. I'm missing something. Isn't that so cool? And then it just closes by itself. Nice. And now we have a convertible. Ta-da! Also, I don't know if I showed you guys this earlier, but I did go to a temple and I did get the drive safety charm for the car. So I will make sure to take that with me before I go, just in case I don't want it to get lost or anything. But so happy, it was such a great experience. Like, oh guys, this has been amazing. This has been the best Japan trip ever. Also my first Japan trip, but I don't think it could get better than this. We're gonna go ahead and cruise over to Akibata area and not buy any more RC cars. I just opened up mine and we're actually gonna go ahead and drop. I was supposed to grab that. Forgot the RC car upstairs. But I'm gonna go drop off the RC car at the shipping facility because I'm gonna ship it out instead. I just don't have any space in my luggage. When the convertible top is down, the only space you have is like this little tiny section in here, and then actually, yeah, that's about it actually. Only just this tiny area here. So now I know. Now we know. I forgot the keys, so I had to go back downstairs. And I'm on the 3rd floor. And I hate cardio. I think I've become a mouth breather because I don't know, I feel like I'm mouth breathing. I'm gonna start taping my face. Shaloop. All right, let's grab the RC car. There she is. I actually packed like a bunch of stuff in there, like a bunch of Legos and a bunch of die casts. So it is full, you can't really see the car, but she's in there. And I did get a GR Pandem Supra, wherever it's at, over here. Pandem GR Supra, whoa. Up, up, and away. Don't fall down the stairs, don't fall down the stairs, don't fall down the stairs. My first RC car and I got it from Japan. What is life? My first convertible. Actually, not really my first convertible because I do have another car stuck at the port still, which is a convertible. It's stuck at the US port. Yeah, that's the funny part. It's been there for a hot minute. Guys, I can't believe it's happening. It's officially time to say goodbye to the Copen. It's my last hour with it, and that last hour is actually being spent driving it to the place that is going to be dropping it off at the storage facility. It's off to storage for the Copen, unfortunately. I really enjoy the time driving in Japan, to be honest. Like, I've genuinely enjoyed driving on the left side of the road, especially in a right-hand drive car. Now I'm back to my right-hand drive cars in the US, which are broken. So sad case all around. But honestly, all the cars that I've seen here, like literally, this is Axmgarage, by the way. It's a very famous car spotting location. RX-7's right over there. It has some Advan racing wheels, it's really cool. Unfortunately, our time together, Copen, has come to an end. But comment down below some name ideas for the Copen because I feel like I name all the cars. Like I named the GTR Momo, the Unos Roadster Aussie, the Silvia is Bubbles, the Audi is Audi. That one wasn't creative. It's time for the Copen to have a name. So comment down some suggestions. All right, let's go enjoy our last ride together, buddy. Pound it. I'm like a child. Goodbye, bestie. See you in May.